Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this one I'm going to do the PUBG Korean version 90 FPS gameplay test in the Realme X7 Max device after the recent update, which is A.20 update. So yes friends, just yesterday only I did receive the A.20 update, and after this update the Battlegrounds mobile game is not working at 90 FPS, it is locked exactly at 70 FPS. And yesterday also I did upload the video on the PUBG mobile global version, and even the PUBG also it exactly locking at 70 FPS only. Even if you use a brightness trick, it doesn't work properly. So a lot of people that did ask me to try the Korean version. So in this video I'm going to use the Korean version of PUBG mobile. Let's say using this Korean version whether we can actually get 90 FPS working in the Realme X7 Max device or not. This is what this video is about, and we're gonna see everything friends in this video, and only with this A.20 update only. And first let me just show you exactly the settings what I'm trying to use at this moment. You can see the default settings is I did set to the exactly 90 FPS. You can clearly see here. And let me try to show you the gain space what is happening in the real-time FPS. And in the real-time FPS I'm getting only 60 FPS. You can clearly see 60 FPS. But if you use the brightness trick, you can actually get 90 FPS working in the Korean version. That is actually possible. That's what I'm trying to do at this moment using the brightness trick, and I'm going to show you what is going on. As you can see friends, as soon as I use the brightness trick, now the FPS increases to 90 and 89. Clearly you can see what is going on. So with the Korean version of the PUBG mobile, 90 FPS you can actually play in the Realme X7 Max. So 90 FPS you cannot play in the Battlegrounds mobile game, and PUBG global version you cannot play, but only in the Korean version of the PUBG mobile you can play in the 90 FPS in the Realme X7 Max. That's one of the conclusion which we can actually come into at this moment. And it's so totally weird because I'm not sure why the Realme is doing like this. One update they are trying to give the 90 FPS, and next update they're not giving the 90 FPS. So that's kind of really weird to see this kind of transformation happening. So I wish it could be in the user's hands, like we should be deciding whether to play it 90 or 70 or 60, because that should be in our control. So if the device is getting heat, definitely we can understand because of the 90 FPS only, and then we'll try to decrease the FPS, maybe 60. But unfortunately that's not the case. At least maybe the device is getting heat, there should be some kind of mechanism to decrease the FPS. In the previously it used to be like that, where if the temperature reaches above 40 degrees from 90 FPS, it will come straight away down to 60 FPS. Something like that mechanism should be kind of really good to have, instead of not having completely, instead of removing completely 90 FPS. I wish they could have included that kind of mechanism. So when the temperature is really high, only then the phone should be lowering down the FPS count. That's what I do feel in the Realme X7 Max device at this moment app. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this particular topic. Do you think the 90 FPS should be kind of compulsory or not? Let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this one. But for me, I think it should be kind of compulsory, because if the officially we got the update right from official Battlegrounds mobile game only, I'm not sure why the Realme is still doing this kind of delay and giving this kind of updates. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this. This is a quick information which I was sharing with you all regarding the Realme X7 Max regarding 90 FPS problem. So right now in the Korean version I was able to play at 90 FPS exactly working. Without any kind of problem in the Korean version. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.